All right. Sorry about that. I had forgotten to turn on the recorder. Let me just summarize what y'all have talked about so far. I will not be on campus tomorrow at all, either campus. Today, everything has to be in today. Okay, we'll get to that in just a minute. Tomorrow, I already said tomorrow. Monday, regular office hours, 8 to 10 and 3:45 to 6 on this campus. Tuesday, if we can go to Channel 13, we will. We'll leave here right at 1:15. Hopefully, we'll know in plenty of time to do it. I don't know if I'll be able to get the vehicle or not, because it depends on what time I hear from them. Okay? So don't plan on riding, but if I can get the vehicle, as many as want to, that we can do on the van, we'll do that. Okay? And I'll be driving, and I can get up to 3 passengers in my vehicle, unless you want to really crowd in the back seat, I could get 4. Okay? Now, that's Tuesday. Oh, yeah. The final exam will be Tuesday. If we don't go to the planetarium, we'll have pizza here at 1:15. If we do go to the Channel 13. If we do go to Channel 13, then when we get back, we'll try to squeeze in the pizza somehow there before your final exam. Okay? I don't know when grades are due, but I'll get them in as soon as I can. And I'll be off campus all day Thursday, at least until late afternoon, but I will be back, I think, sometime late afternoon. I'll be on campus from whenever I get back until 6. Yes.
You said you needed the paper copy and you needed the email?
Say that one more time.
You need the paper copy and you needed to be emailed?
And I needed what?
Just the paper copy.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Yeah. Now, and then Thursday, I already went over Thursday. Then Friday next week, I should be on Birmingham. Pretty much the normal hours. Okay. So, today, some point late in the day today, we will have the test on chapter 24. We finished that last time. Before that, right now I'm going to start returning papers to you. Okay? Now, it's about time to get rid of this stack. Okay. I've gotten a bunch of research papers in today, so I don't know how many I'm missing. But today is the last day to turn in the research paper without losing points. Now, I will accept it later, but you will be losing points. So the sooner you can get it to me, the better. Okay. Any questions on the research paper besides those that's been asked? Okay. Now, Lab 1. Is anyone going to turn in Lab 1? Because once I return these, I can't accept any more. Anyone going to turn in Lab 1 today? Okay? And let me get Lab 1 returned to you. Wrong. Aisha's not here yet. Jacob? Kaya's not here yet. Verkeria? Justin? Yolanda, I hope withdrew. As of last Tuesday evening, she had not, or it wasn't in the record yet. Yeah. Marcia? Eric? Zach's not here yet. Brandis? Lewis? Antonio's not here yet. David? All right, that's all that I have of Lab 1. Now, Test 1, I finally got the last Test 1 in Tuesday, and I returned some of these to you on Tuesday, but some of you weren't here. Bridget is not here. Let me make sure of that. Is anyone not taking test 1? Okay. Brianna? Jerome? Aisha's not here. Yes. I'm sorry.
Yeah, did you want us to help you pass them out?
Okay. It's not good for
Okay. Don't worry about it. Go ahead.
it. You know, it's called FERPA, which is the Federal Education. Okay.
Yeah. It's okay.
People be seeing each other's scores, and that's why I'm trying not to do that. Okay. Jacob, Kaya, Rakiria, Yolanda, Harsha, Zach, Miss Lewis, David, Kaylee, Donald, and Shakaya. Okay. That's test 1. Okay. Now, at the end of all this, if you have any question about why you may have missed something, and that leads to your question I don't think I ever got to finish answering. The final exam is going to be, I can't remember how many questions, between 16 and 20, about the same length as most of them, but it's going to be matching, not multiple choice, not fill in the blank, but matching. And so it's going to be one of the easier tests I think that you've had, but it's only, I tried to pick out about the top 3 or 4 topics from every chapter. That's what I ask you questions about, okay? So it's not that bad of a test, I don't think. Generally, people do quite well on it, okay? Is that what you were asking? Okay. All right. I'm going to try to get as much back to you as I can, but there's no guarantee. Is anyone else going to turn in Lab 2?
What's Lab 2?
Lab 2 was Experiment 48, Chapter 15, Motions of the Sun was the title of it. Okay? If not, here they're going back. Okay? Brianna, Jerome, H is not here. Jacob is. Okay, I'll take it. Okay. Oh, I don't want to get them mixed up. Okay. Kaya's not here yet. Rakiria. Justin. I'm sorry. I just returned it. Pardon me? Well, because you didn't turn it in. Are you going to take it?
I would take it.
Huh?
I'm going to take it.
I'm sorry.
I'm chapter 1. Never mind. Test 1. It's right here. I'm thinking about chapter 1.
All right. I think we're just trying to get it easy, and that's not too hard. Okay. All right. Marcia. Eric. Zach. Brandis. David. Donald. Okay, All right. Test 2. Is anyone going to take test 2? Okay. Everybody got test 2? Okay. Brianna? Chapter 15 test. Jerome? PH is not here. Jacob is. Kaya? Not. Kyria is. Justin. This is your test 2. Yolanda. Tarsha. Eric. Zach. Now some of these are staples are sticking, so if you happen to get 2, please return them to me. I don't intend to do it. Catherine, not here. Brandis. Catherine is going to take up a test this afternoon. I said as soon as I get into class, and she's gone. Sits in the back hall. I think she's a volleyball player. David. What's that? Yeah. I'm sorry. Donald. And Chicago. Okay. There's test 2. All right. Anyone going to turn in who hasn't already? The moon lab. Now, a bunch have come in. These are the ones that came in time for me to grade. This is lab 3. Okay. Jerome. Jacob. Kaya's not here. Victoria. Justin. Antonio's not here. David. Haley. Donald. And Chicago. All right, test 3. I know that at least one person asked me about taking test 3. You gonna take it now? Okay. Okay. Now, I believe the room next across there is something you can either go out and around or through the door there. However. Yes.
So, I thought the paper was due Tuesday, not today.
Pardon me?
I thought the paper was due Tuesday, not today.
It's always been the last day of class, not the
And
final
I got
exam
a
day.
paper from the first day of class when I was taking notes, and you said 303. Like the third.
I don't say 303 ever.
No, I'm saying like I had notes from the first day of class, and I got the third, and it's Tuesday.
Pardon me? Now, it's always said the last day of class, not final exams. I never gave a date on it. I put that in the, it's on the directions form.
Can I turn it in tomorrow?
You can, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Y'all got it. Y'all took
All right,
the
now I'm not on campus tomorrow, but you can slide it under my door.
picture? Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
All right. And Kaya is here. Okay. Anyone else who has not taken test 3? Okay. Anyone else to take test 3? Okay.
Thank you, Dr. Fowler.
All right. Great. Aisha's not here yet. Jacob? Kaya? Earlier stuff later. Although I've been through it. Curious? Justin? Brandis? Lewis? Tommy is not here yet. David? Donald? All right. Okay, the next is lab 4. This is the,
What number is it?
it says experiment 42, properties of common minerals. It's lab 4. The one on chapter, yeah, the rocks and minerals. Chapter 17 lab. Anyone else to do that? I'm sorry? Okay, well, I've got it then. Anyone else who needs to turn it in? Once I return these, yes. Okay.
Turn it in. Turn it in.
Well, if you want to go to another room and work on it, you can.
You want to turn it in, Dr. Fowler?
I'm sorry?
You want to turn it in?
Okay, that's what I'm asking. You want to turn it in?
Maybe.
You still do it. If you want to go to another room and do it. Okay? Okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Baby.
I need an answer.
He finna get up.
I'm sorry?
Okay, we'll go in there fast.
If you want to take your notebook, you can. It's allowed. It's not a minute.
We'll go in there fast.
Take everything.
Okay, now I'm not gonna do it like that, but I asked her like, you know, you cool, you sit back there and say,
To be honest, you cool.
Great. It's gonna be a good day, I'm telling you.
Anybody else need to finish working on lab 4? Okay. I'm returning them. Once I return them, that's it.
Here.
Okay. This is Brent. I'm sorry. Brent. Jerome.
Right.
Patience here. Jacob. Kaya. Macarius. Justin.
Watch out, cause that ain't my name. We're curious.
Oh, okay. Amanda. Tarsha. Zach. And Miss Lewis. Antonia's not here. David. Kaylee. Donald. And Shakai. Okay. That was lab 4. Okay.
Or the test for.
Test 4. Okay. Anyone who needs to take test 4. Okay, I know at least one person, but she's taking another test right now. I'll just wait till she comes back. Okay, anyone else who needs to take test 4? Okay. Bridget's not here. Jerome. Nation's not here. Jacob. Kaya.
I got you for the next tab.
Okay, good. Criteria. Justin. Tarsha. Eric. Okay, I'm assuming Eric is coming back. Please nobody bother his stuff back here. Zach. Katie. Brandis. Lewis. Antonio. I'll give you the other stuff later. I've already gone through that. David. Tiffany. Katie. Donald. And Chicago. Now, that's test 4.
Okay, lab 5. What lab is that? Because I'm pretty sure I got it.
Okay. This is density of.
Right here. Turn it in right now.
Okay.
There you go.
Thank you.
You said density of each.
NDH rock.
Okay, let me. There we go.
Okay. Now you need test 4, don't you?
I don't have a scale.
What's that? Okay. All right. Okay. Are you going? Good. Next one. Pardon me? Yeah. Bridget's not here. Anyone else for density of igneous rocks? Okay. Brianna, I'll put them on you. Okay. Jerome. Nation's not here. Jacob. You're right. Kaya. Eric. Lewis. Antonio. David. Haley. Okay. Seems like I'm missing a few of those. That was lab, I believe it was 5. Okay. Test 5. Anyone to take test 5? I know at least one person is, but she's not in here. Okay. Anyone else to take test 5? Okay. Bridget's not here. Jerome is. Lisa's not here. Jacob. Kaya. Rakiria. Arthur.
They gonna sell out with me, baby, because I'm the first person to buy it.
Tonya,
It's crap like,
David, Haley, Donald, anyone else for test 5? Okay. Now, okay. Think it's lab 6, latitude and longitude. Anyone else to turn in lab 6, latitude and longitude?
He said lab 6. Latitude and longitude.
Okay.
wait. Okay, go ahead,
Jerome. Aisha's not here. Jacob is here. Naya is here. Arcaria. Justin. Yolanda's not here. Okay. Lewis. Antonio. David. Haley. Donald. And Chicago. Okay. Nobody else for latitude and longitude.
Hey.
Okay. Now.
Crystals is actually called White Castle more. It's just like
I don't eat rabbits or chicken. Crazy. My friend said it. She said it is good. The outside is good.
Okay.
And crystal.
All right. The next is test 6, which is chapter 19. That was the take-home test. Has anyone not turned that in yet? Okay. Once I return these, too late to do it. Okay. So, wrong. H is not here. Jacob. Kaya. Kaya.
Did the Lord
Syria?
still dance to this?
I'm sorry. Justin.
Here.
Marshall. Eric. Katie. Brandis. Lewis. Antonio. David. Tiffany. Haley. All right. Lab 7, which was topographic maps. You need that.
Oh, I got you right here. I got you. Mr. Lennox.
Okay.
That was the best performance. I'm not even a huge fan of Beyonce, but that was really good.
Topographic maps.
It was in
And,
here.
huh? Okay, I'll get it to you in just a minute. No, lab 8 was the visit to Channel 13 we had.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. All right. Now, next word to it, you can say it here if you want to, but it's one louder here. Well, no, I'll be returning them, so yeah, you do. I'm sorry. I don't know if you're following some YouTube videos. Okay. Okay, anyone else to do topographic maps? That's lab 7. Wrong. H is not here. Jacob. Kaya. Justin. All right, Shalanda's not here. Harsha. Sarah. Okay, that's all I got. Topographic maps. Okay. Okay. Test 7. Anyone still to take test 7? Okay. Wrong. Not here. Jacob. Kaya. Syria.
So lab 8 is gonna be us doing some weather station.
That's yeah, going to the weather.
Okay, and I'm gonna turn my paper tomorrow, sign it together, so you will have it.
All right, Justin.
I came out this way. And told you to now. So I want to sit home and it waste away. So I got him.
the same. But as time went on, you young guys got me going. Once I got me going,
This is Lewis. All right, there's that 7 down.
It doesn't matter. I'm sure you put in the grade.
All right, test 7. All right. Okay. All right. Test 8. Anyone still hasn't taken test 8? The weather test. Anyone still hasn't taken that?
Those last class.
You haven't taken it? Okay. You'll need to go next door and take it. Anyone else needs to take test 8? Okay. Then I'll be returning them after this. Too late. Take test 8. Okay. Made it right every time. Okay. Jerome. Aisha's not here. Jacob. Kaya. Mary.
that's the difference. Now and then, they were going
Yeah.
to hear it. And I think that last week, I'm going to call out the head and get financial aid and despair. They just said, we should go on special counsel, all that kind of stuff. Stay in the best hotels, all that. Eat what you want. When the honor guard, they start looking at your other eye. Talking trash.
It's somewhere between 16 and 20, it seems like, somewhere in that ballpark. I don't remember exactly.
They wanted all the money for themselves.
Brandis,
And they were giving it to everybody they could get that salary the way they wanted.
Lewis,
So, yeah, agreed. And just all of them go. They lasted about 6, 7 years. You know, they got this salary for $200,000. Yes, true.
anyone else for test 8? Okay. Now, that's all I've got graded so far. Okay. A few of the test 8s have been marked, but I haven't had a chance to figure out the grade. My work study student marked them, but I didn't have a chance to calculate grades. Lab 9, the Earth's Waters, okay, that was the one we did last time. Does anyone need that?
Oh, yeah, the one y'all did Tuesday?
The one we did Tuesday.
Yeah, I need one.
Oh, we did.
Okay. You'll need the tech. Who needs it? Who? Okay. Okay. Yeah, you can do little man here going out returning it. He needs it.
Hold on, Dr. Father, I gave you the wrong paper too. My research paper, I gave you the wrong one.
Okay.
That one was my rough draft. Inside. What do you have?
Okay. Anyone else? Okay, you need test 6. Now that was the take-home test. You haven't done it?
I did that one.
Huh?
Turn that one over to you.
No, you didn't. Anyone else need Lab 9, which is Earth's Waters? Are you here for it? You need it? Okay. You need your book, or a book. I've got a book for someone to use it. Okay. Anyone else need Earth's Waters? I gave him one. I heard one. Okay. Now.
My earlier one.
I'm sorry?
My earlier one, sorry. My earlier papers.
What about it?
Can I get them? I wasn't here, and you was like, you gonna get them when you done.
Oh, you mean, okay. Yeah, I'll go back through these. So, I got several to return. Okay.
So that's not it, right?
What's that?
That's not it, right?
Sorry?
That's not it, right?
Yeah, we still got to do the test.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, starting over. Lab 1, Aisha's not here, but Kaya is. Okay. Joanna's not here. Zach's not here. Antonio is. Okay. Test 1. Aisha's not here, but Kaya is. Jolanda's not. Zach's not. And okay, that's test 1. Lab 2. Aisha's not here. Kaya is. Joanna's not. Zach's not. Antonio is. All right, test 2, chapter 15 test. Aisha's not here. Kaya is. Yolanda and Zach are not. Katie's not. Antonio is. All right, test 3. Aisha's not here. Katie's not here. Antonio is. Lab 4. Aisha's not here. Yolanda's not here. Zach's not here. Antonio is. Test 4. Bridget's not here. Aisha's not here. Zach's not here. Katie's not here. I think everybody's got everything, right? Okay. Okay. Pardon me? What's that? Okay, you want to do it again? It is open book, so you can use your book. But you'll need Okay. Now I've returned everything I've graded so far. Sorry I didn't get all the last stuff graded, but I just got
That's all
too
right.
much
You've
in
done well.
too late, and I've gotten this much more today. So I'll get those graded as soon as I can, probably all weekend long. I'll be grading. Okay. Now, how's the time doing right now? I didn't have to record all that, but I did. Okay, we've got time for whoever wants to and can and would like to report on your research paper. This is an optional lab that will enable you to drop your the next lowest lab score. Okay? Anyone ready to report on your research?
I am.
Okay, great. Fantastic. Yeah, anytime. Okay, do you need projector? Okay.
I'm not educated. I just want to talk about it.
Okay.
I want to discuss tornadoes. Tornadoes are, and I learned this in class. I'm glad I took this class. Dr. Fowler was very good at teaching it. Tornadoes are dangerous. It's wind that comes in from. Am I right when it says winds that come in from up the water, and they can be so devastating. They start as small and they can go up to EF5. And they can tear down whole communities. I mean, flatten walls, pull trees up that's this big, and they are just devastating. And you always have to be prepared for tornadoes. So listen carefully when you hear and when you're warned about a tornado.
Thank you. Harsha?
No.
Oh,
Not
okay.
yet. Oh.
Anyone else?
I
Want to
mean,
report?
it's just like a short summary. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. No, I'm arguing with you.
Okay.
My research paper. Oh, I did it by the hot hill now around the summer. Yeah. I said, go ahead.
Okay.
Go ahead, go.
Okay. I did my research paper on climate change, and climate change is really important. And it's really getting bad. The fact that the Arctic is melting and things will begin to flood if we don't take actions now for it. Climate change also causes extreme weather, like tornadoes and probably blizzards. It's one reason why it's not as cold outside. It's because of climate change.
Papers on your desk. No, it's all right. You know.
Oh, global warming. Global warming. Thank you.
Don't lose your mind. You know what I mean?
Show some love.
Okay. I did my research paper on a person topic. John Wesley Powell. He was born in 1834. Yes, and he was born in 1834. And he made a lot of contributions to geology. He was a geologist and a soldier. And a fun fact that I thought was interesting, he actually had his arm shot off while he was in the army during the Civil War. So yeah, he was still able to contribute to being on the he was the secretary for Illinois geology. Like it was like a basically like a research group basically to me. And he came up with like he was the founder of a lot of the things that they use today to try to, or they use again to find out new things about geology and different types of areas and research and stuff like that. Oh, and he had a daughter and a wife too.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Oh,
Wow. We're talking
Your lowest
is my synopsis of what I learned. Lightning can be very dangerous, just like a tornado or hurricane or anything. And of course, tornadoes, from what I learned, is although you can see it and you may not hear the thunderstorm is like far off, but the thunderstorm is still going. The lightning is like electricity, so it can strike anything. So in order to protect yourself from the lightning, is to go into a well-structured building. That's all.
Nah, y'all listen me up.
I thought about other now.
Alright, my paper was why it's hot as hell in the summer. Alabama sits near the Gulf, Mexico, and the water temperature there is 90 degrees majority of the time, and that's part of that Gulf Stream that he was talking about that flows up to England that keeps them warm. And Montgomery and Mobile and Tuscaloosa are the hottest cities in Alabama, and they up in there as science is saying that it's going to get worse. And as Alabama Power keep burning fossil fuels and coal and natural gas they're using, it's what's contributing to making it so hot in Alabama during summer months. And global warming has a lot to do with it. So we got a combination of three things that's really pushing us over the edge. And they're saying by this summer it's going to run about 115, 116, something like that. Temperature's going to be that way because of what we are doing as certain things in Alabama. And that's why we're so hot in Alabama.
All right.
I didn't do mine on like basic science stuff. I did mine by person.
Okay.
He basically contributed to science, particularly physical science, and his name is Albert Einstein.
Okay.
All right.
Basically Albert Einstein, he's basically known for making many theories. He was known basically to make so many theories that he began to take the title father of theories or father of physics, basically. Because all his theories are based on physical science. One of the theories he came up with was called the law of relativity. And we came up with it, he basically came up with it on a whim. He made a book called Theory of Relativity and published in 1919. And when it came out, it wasn't really popular like that because a lot of stuff he put in there, a lot of people didn't believe it. But one day, it had got real popular because one day it was May 29th, 1919, where the moon and the sun had like aligned with each other and made an eclipse. And that's when people had started to believe it. And he had got famous based off that one theory. But he got famous for other theories too, but that was one of them. And that's basically it.
Yes, go. Everybody go. No, you gotta stand up and do it.
I'll turn my paper.
Go.
Jesus,
do it.
All right.
Okay, I talked about Pangea. There was the supercontinent. I think it was like 3.5 million years ago. I just talked about like how it drifted and how scientists basically say that the continent's basically like a puzzle, and it's I guess coal or whatever is found in all different parts of the world. So I just wrote about Pangea, and that's it.
Pangea. I could not think of that word.
Yeah.
That's what the companies were together.
All together, yeah.
Yeah, Gea means geology, like
Come on,
the earth.
I'll go ahead and do it. I'll give him some more time. Alright, so I did a person. Mine was on this guy named like Wilhelm York something. It's like Norwegian. It's like has a J in there where it shouldn't, and it's all weird. But anyways, he kind of contributed to the modern way we do weather forecasting, meteorology, because like the gist of it is he found all these theories and he kind of applied his own stuff that he studied to it because his father was also a scientist, and his father worked on like how fluids react and stuff like that. So he kind of used the knowledge he learned, what he learned from his father, and applied to that. And he kind of basically applied physical science to weather, and it's just something they never thought of. So everyone's like, wow, this is like a revolutionary way. And so they were able to more accurately predict the weather to an extent back then. And it kind of just spurred off from there, and he like taught a bunch of people. They went to their countries and spread it. So that's kind of how everything's all, how it is now. We have weather, meteorology people all over the world. You know?
Good, good, good.
We're taking 19 or 24 actors.
On the stars.
On the stars.
Yeah, I was fascinated with the constellations, and I love them. I don't know everybody hard, but I know like the Big Dipper. It's
A little different.
Yeah, a little bit. I was fascinated by that, so that's what I wrote my paper on. And doing research, writing a paper, I also learned that they use the stars for travel things. They fascinated me, and that's my research.
I'm going to do my paper on Tuesday. I'm going to do my paper on the solar system because I just like how everything revolves around the sun, and the sun is it. And I like how, like, on one Earth, on one planet, you can breathe, and on one planet, if you don't, you die. So that's what my paper is going to be on, and how Pluto is no longer a planet anymore, and why.
Dr. Fowler is looking at us like he's proud of his kids.
I am. Y'all are doing well, very well.
Pay attention.
We was in here long enough.
I'll look hard, but I gotta pull it up.
Brandon, come on, Brandon.
You must not read all that.
I gotta pull it
Come on,
up.
Brandon.
I don't remember what it was.
Come on. Right. How many extra points you get for this?
You get 25 if you report, and that may replace your lowest lab score.
My lowest
Okay.
lab grade.
Did you?
Woo!
I did my paper on diamonds, and I found out that diamonds are in a lot of different tools that we use every day, like small bits and like such as drill bits and different tools that we use to make them hard so they don't break. Whenever it's the hardest gemstone, and it's one of the rarest. It's more used for more than just jewelry.
Right.
Good.
I'll get it. I'm trying to pull it up.
Yes, I got it.
Oh,
Okay,
Lord.
you might want to go.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
No, I have.
I can't get my paper.
But that's okay.
Just
This is not, I don't remember half the stuff that was in it.
It's okay.
Did you turn it in already?
Yeah.
You can use it.
Talk about rocks. I didn't talk about rocks. I talked about the whole telescope.
There she
Oh,
goes.
there she goes. Oh, yeah. You going next?
Okay. She's like, let me get in the dog fight. All right, come on. Show us some love.
Woo!
So my paper was about the Hubble telescope, and because the pictures were amazing. The Hubble telescope was named after Edwin Hubble, and he was an American astronomer.
He was the first one to be fixed on the thought that Andromeda was a galaxy and not just a nebula. Although Hubble passed in 1953, the Hubble telescope has proven many of his theories right. The telescope can work so well because Earth's atmosphere shuts out any light coming from space. And so since the telescope orbits in Earth's atmosphere, the atmosphere, I literally just repeated what I said. So, Hubble can fasten itself on certain points in space.
It's still out there?
Yes. It's still orbiting. And it's called, the system is called the Fine Guidance Sensors. The Fine Guidance Sensors are part of the pointing control system which aims and moves the telescope in place. When it is locked down and ready to go, Hubble's mirrors collect in the light from space. Hubble's mirrors can collect up to about 40,000 times more than the human eye alone. The light rebounds off the primary mirror, then onto the secondary mirror next to the light. The light then goes back to a hole in the primary mirror, and lastly it shines to Hubble's scientific instruments. Hubble was launched in 1990 and has collected dozens of terabytes of data and award-winning pictures. Hubble's launch was actually delayed the first time when the space shuttle named the Challenger exploded while lifting off. That's why it didn't launch until 1990. Originally, the telescope was launched with a defect in its mirror. With a successful repair mission in 1993, Hubble recovered from its mirror and is now one of the most famous telescopes today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
And you don't gotta read your paper, you can just go. It's 2:46.
I don't care what time it is. I know. Hey, it's not there.
Who gonna take our test?
Pardon me?
Who gonna take our test?
When y'all finish.
We done.
I thought that might get you through. Well, not if anyone else wants to contribute.
I don't think nobody else wants to.
Okay. Let me return the things to Aisha because she just got in.
I need a second for somebody, okay?
Okay.
Well, I tried. This got 400.
All right. Mark Aisha here. Okay, so far today we're just missing Bridget. Sherlanda withdrew. Katie,
What y'all got going on?
Zach and Katie, and I think I forgot to mark
Out of 12, however many you want her.
Antonio when he came in.
And baby mama not driving either.
Okay.
So,
Okay. All right. Anyone else to present a paper? Okay. Now it's 2:49. Y'all ready for your test?
Yeah.
Okay. Is anyone here who still needs to do a test or a lab? I know a couple of people came in late. Were you here to get last? Huh? Okay. The last lab? Okay. I didn't get that graded because I just, so many things so late. Okay. Did you? You still need test tape, right? Was there a question, David?
I've been looking for your email about the filters all.
That I haven't heard a word. I've checked and left messages and done everything I can think of doing. Okay. Is anyone else here who needs Lab 9, Earth's Waters? Everybody got Lab 9, Earth's Waters? Okay. Then we're right up to test time. Okay.
Let me get this straight.
This is chapter 24 test. Okay. Chapter 24 test. There's a few fill in the blank. Most of it is multiple choice. Okay? No, this is the chapter 24 test. Last regular test. And then the final will be Tuesday. We don't, oh yeah, because Aisha just got here, let's go over this. If I hear anything between now and Tuesday morning, I'll let you know whether we're going to channel 13 or not. If I don't hear it, and I'm going to contact them again this evening, I'm going to contact them again Monday morning, I'll contact them again Monday evening, but if I haven't heard anything by class time on Tuesday, I guess we're not going. Now, if I hear something by Monday, I can maybe arrange to get a vehicle. But if I don't hear anything by Monday, Tuesday, they say, yeah, you can come today, I can't get a vehicle in that short of notice. Okay, so y'all can carpool it up. Yeah.
So, Monday, if you don't hear anything, you can come to the McWine Center.
Girl.
Oh, yeah, they got a web station.
To the McWine.
Right.
Make sure
They
they
got
got
a
a
web
website.
station.
If you don't hear anything about that, you can just come to the McWine Center.
They got a web station. Well, area.
I'll probably have to make an arrangement there. I don't think I could just bring a bunch of people in.
Well, call them today.
Huh?
Call them too. Call me.
Okay, I will. The only thing is, parking down there is far worse, isn't it?
Yeah, they got a,
It's right next to the
They
museum.
do.
across the street from
They got that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And is it cost or y'all going to do the cost?
It's gonna be 1,500.
Right. It ain't gonna.
You got everybody.
Oh yeah, and there is a charge to get into that too. Now I can't cover all that.
You very good.
You very money, remember?
I know, but she's really tight.
Don't do my picture like that. Ask Lawson to pay for it. You pay for them.
They know that's right.
Lawson gonna pay for it. That's all right.
I don't know.
Okay, go. Okay. All right. I don't know if this would help. I have a little extension cord, but it's probably not long enough.
This is fine.
It's fine. Okay. Okay. Yeah, y'all would have to pay for McLean on your own. Parking and admission.
But you got me though.
Huh?
No. Y'all need to mind y'all business because that's my teacher. And he can.
Our teacher. Either way.
He got all of them. He got everything.
And I want to stay married to money. Okay, so
Mind the business and pay.
I don't want to get kicked out at this point. Okay.
It's too late in the game, Dr. Fowler. I ain't gonna do that.
All right. So as soon as if I know anything, we'll. So what I was saying, April was in and out. If we don't go to Channel 13, then we'll meet here at 1:15, and I'll get pizza, and we'll have pizza. And I had a request for 4 kinds: cheese, vegetable, vegetarian, 3 meat, and pepperoni.
Perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And music.
And music. Okay. And this Louis gonna sing for us. Okay. All right.
Sounds good.
Oh, a talent show.
Yeah,
All
I
right.
know how to sing, but I'm not singing.
Now, if we do go, we'll leave here right at 1:15. We can't be late leaving, so we'll leave here right at 1:15. Anyone that can get there on their own can do so. If I know Katie asked, she said, I live right close to it. Can I go directly? I said, sure. Okay. Be there by 2 o'clock. The show will start pretty close to 2. And if we get to go, okay. If not, we'll have pizza here. Now, if we do go there, we'll try to have pizza here afterwards, but it'll be pretty late, so don't count out for lunch, but we'll have it
Is
late.
there a possibility that we may, never mind, don't worry about it, because if you tell me I gotta get my outfit together.
I'm sorry, I can't do that.
It's okay.
She said we're gonna be on TV.
Do what?
Be on TV.
On TV?
It don't matter if I'm on TV, I'm talking
Okay.
about these people going over there, period.
We've never been on TV before, but you can see yourself on the green screen and in the studio right where,
Oh,
You
yeah.
see
I
it,
got
everybody.
to be fabulous.
okay. Okay. Ready for the test? You can have your formula equation sheet, scratch paper. I don't think you'll need a calculator, but whatever you need. All right, here's chapter 24 test. And by the way, there's 17 questions. And at least one of them has 2 parts, so count as 18. Each one has 2. I don't think there's any need for recording any longer, is there?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll shut that down. Now, I don't know if anyone's going to be watching the recording, but they have been very slow late in the day recording, so I don't know what's going on there, but I'm going to end it now.